Hello everyone. So here we have two questions basically in choice. So firstly we'll do the first question, then move on to the second one. First question says that using the method of integration we need to find the area of the triangle ABC which has the coordinate whose vertices are A 4, 1, B 6, 6 and C 8, 4. So let's see how we can solve this. Here you can see the diagram that is drawn. So first of all, we need to find the equation of AB. So for finding the equation of a line, first of all, we need to find the slope, and the formula that I have written over here is find the slope, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So let's take the example of AB only. So y2 over here is C6 and y1 is 1. So 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. So m is 5 by 2. Now for calculating the equation, we'll choose one of them, one of the endpoints. So I have chose this one. So we'll put the value of y1 and we put the value of x1 and put the value of m. We'll calculate and get the value of the equation of the line. Similarly we'll do for BC and AC as well. Then it's very simple, we just need to integrate these equations with respect to x, and the endpoints would be, we can choose any, basically any, in the sense x1 we need to choose the x coordinate only, that is 4 and 6, 6 and 8 and 4 and 8, because we are integrating it with respect to dx. After integration we'll get the answer as 7 square unit. So the second question was to find the area of between these two curves. So before finding the area we need to know about these intersection points. So for finding the intersection point, what we can do is, we have two equations of the curves. Let us take the y value from here and substitute the y value here. So when we reassemble this, we'll get 3x plus 12 is equals to 2y. 2y will come in denominator, so y is equals to 3x plus 12 divided by 2, and we'll put the value here. After solving, we'll get a quadratic equation and two roots of quadratic equation, which gives us two intersection points that we need. So x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 4 are two intersection points. And now it's very simple, we can just put the values in the limits minus 2 and 4, and this equation we can integrate to get a answer, that is 27 square root units.